Hi pumpkins! Today we're going to read a book called Snore. Perfect for George, and it was suggested by my gorgeous friend Jo, and she's loaned me her copy of the book as well. She thought it would be brilliant for George because we know he loves to have a great big snore, doesn't he? And this is dedicated to her gorgeous grandson Freddie. So this is for you, Freddie, from Jojo. Snore, written by Michael Rosen and illustrated by Jonathan Langley. And it's set on a farm. Snore. All was quiet on the farm. Dog was asleep. Cat was asleep. Cow was asleep. Sheep was asleep. Pig was asleep. And all the baby piglets were asleep too. It was all so peaceful till and cat woke up, cow woke up, sheep woke up, pig woke up, and so did all the baby piglets. It was so loud, no one could sleep. Not cat, not cow, or sheep, or pig, or even the baby piglets. How can we get Dog to stop snoring so we can all get some sleep? Said Cat. I know, said Cow. And Cow went up to Dog and went, tissue! Right into his ear. I know, said Sheep. And Sheep went up to Dog and went, boo! Right in his ear. I know, said Pig. And Pig went up to Dog and went, hee, right down his ear. And all the little piglets went, hee. I know, said Cat. Why don't we sing to him? Maybe that'll stop him snoring and we can all get some sleep. So Cat went, and Cow went, moo. And Sheep went, baa. And Pig went, oink. And all the piglets went, Then as the sun rose over the trees, Rooster woke up and went, cock-a-doodle-doo! And Dog woke up with a harumph. But Cat and Cow and Sheep and Pig and all the little piglets were so tired they all fell asleep. And there they are, all snoring their own special snores. And that's the gorgeous story about a dog who loved to snore. Sometimes Georgie likes to sit with Amy in her chair and read chapter books.